Introducing a revolutionary new oral fluid collection device, Saletto from the Porex Life Sciences Institute. This collection kit provides materials for collecting a sample of oral fluid. In this quick video, we will take you through step-by-step instructions of how to use this simple device. For 30 minutes prior to sample collection, refrain from eating, chewing gum, drinking, and smoking. When opening the kit package, ensure that the collection pad at the top of the device does not come into contact with any surface or foreign impurities. Now we're ready to collect the sample. Step 1. Begin by pooling saliva in your mouth. Simply relax and let saliva pool without swallowing it. While waiting for the saliva to accumulate, remove the cap to expose the collection pad. Do not discard the cap, you will need it again in Step 3 to extract the sample. Step 2. Next, place the tip of the collection pad in your mouth and direct saliva to the collection pad until the sample sufficiency indicator appears near the top of the handle. This typically occurs within 1 to 3 minutes. Step 3. While holding the device upright, replace the cap on top of the device and press down until the cap fully compresses the collection pad and forces the saliva into the tube. Step 4. Unscrew the tube from the bottom of the device. Step 5. Screw the separate small cap onto the tube to seal the sample inside. Or, if you're doing a rapid diagnostic test, secure the dropper tip into the opening of the squeeze tube. The squeeze tube can now be used to transfer the collected sample for evaluation. As you've just seen, the Saletto oral fluid collection device is a new, less invasive, simple way to collect saliva.